If you're hunting for a keyboard that stands out both in style and substance, the Azio Retro Classic demands a closer look. Inspired by vintage typewriters yet packed with ultramodern features, this keyboard perfectly blends nostalgia with today's tech needs. It's a piece that doesn't just type but tells a story every time you use it. Right out of the box, the Azio Retro Classic impresses with its genuine leather or wood top plate options. These materials aren't just for show, they reflect true craftsmanship and exclusivity. The leather option, in particular, adds a warm, unique charm that grows more beautiful with use, making the keyboard feel like a personal statement on your desk. One of the standout features is the tactile, clicky backlit mechanical keys. They're designed to mimic the satisfying feedback of vintage typewriters, offering a distinct typing experience. If you appreciate the sound and feel of classic keyboards, these keys deliver with a satisfying click-click that's both audible and responsive. The keyboard's frame is another highlight. Forged from durable aluminum alloy and finished with a sleek chrome or satin plating, it complements the leather top plate beautifully. This solid construction not only adds to the aesthetic but ensures long-lasting durability that can handle daily use without losing its polish. Setting up the Azio Retro Classic is refreshingly simple. If your laptop supports Bluetooth, connecting takes just about a minute. The keyboard also offers USB-C connectivity for those who prefer a wired setup or need to charge the device. This dual functionality means you're covered whether you want wireless freedom or a direct connection. In daily use, the keyboard's backlit keys brighten as you type, enhancing visibility in low-light environments. Unlike some Bluetooth keyboards that lag after periods of inactivity, this one reconnects quickly, usually within a second or two, so you're never left waiting to get back to work. But it's not all perfect. The Azio Retro Classic is noticeably thicker than most modern keyboards, which means it sits higher on your desk. This design choice stays true to the vintage aesthetic but may cause some wrist fatigue during long typing sessions. It's not painful, but it's something to keep in mind if you type for hours at a stretch. If you're someone who values aesthetics alongside functionality, this keyboard is worth considering. It transforms your workspace into a stylish environment without sacrificing essential features. However, if ergonomic comfort is your top priority, you might want to pair it with a wrist rest or explore other options. The weight of the keyboard also stands out. Heavier than typical models, it feels substantial and well built. This heft adds to the premium experience, making it feel like a serious tool rather than a flimsy accessory. It's a keyboard designed to last and to be noticed. What changes when you bring the Azio Retro Classic into your setup? You get a typing experience that's tactile and engaging, a workspace that's visually striking, and a device built with genuine materials that age gracefully. It's not just a keyboard, it's a conversation piece that enhances your daily routine. The blend of vintage design with modern tech means you don't have to compromise on connectivity or convenience. Whether you're typing emails, writing creatively, or simply browsing, this keyboard makes each keystroke feel intentional and satisfying. If that's you, someone who appreciates style, quality, and a unique typing experience, the Azio Retro Classic could be the perfect addition to your desk. It's a keyboard that invites you to slow down and enjoy the act of typing, turning a routine task into something more memorable. Worth a look if you want your workspace to reflect your personality without giving up on performance. The Azio Retro Classic proves that you can have both style and substance in one package. It's a rare find in a sea of generic keyboards. Try it when you're ready to upgrade not just your keyboard, but the feel of your entire workspace. The Azio Retro Classic stands out for its craftsmanship, thoughtful design, and the tactile joy it brings to every keystroke. In summary, this keyboard offers a genuine leather or wood finish, tactile clicky keys, and a robust aluminum frame that's built to impress and endure. While it may not be the best fit for those seeking ergonomic perfection, it excels in delivering a unique blend of vintage charm and modern convenience. Revisiting the main appeal, the Azio Retro Classic is a stylish, well-crafted keyboard that brings vintage typewriter vibes into the modern era. If you want a keyboard that looks as good as it types, this one's worth serious consideration.